Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see by the title, from the thumbnail and from my channel, we've hit 1000 subscribers and I'm in disbelief to seeing that. First of all, I won't be showing anything except a CSGO competitive match that I had 5 months ago, and I'm showing my highlights from that match. The match was a draw, but it doesn't really matter. I play CSGO at 4:3 aspect ratio, so that's why you may be seeing black bars in the sides of the video. I could have stretched the video to 16:9, but it looked weird, so I stuck with 4:3. This video will be short, but we've come a long way from 2015 till now. It took us 5 years to reach 1000 subscribers, but to be honest, I've had multiple temporary stops on my channel, but we are back for now. Not sure for how long, but we are back for now. I wouldn't believe that I would reach 1000 subscribers. It looked impossible but possible at the same time, and we managed to reach it. My dream for this channel is that I want to hit 10,000 subscribers. It may look impossible, but anything is possible. I may come back in 2 or 3 years and make a similar video to hitting 10,000 subscribers and reminding myself that I said back in 2020 that it would be impossible to hit 10,000 subscribers. But you never know, that could very well happen. But me hitting 100,000 subscribers in my dream, that's not going to happen in a million years. If I hit 10,000 subscribers, I will be very happy. Because we've reached 1000 subscribers, you will start seeing ads on my videos in a couple of weeks from now. Of course, there will be the option to skip the ads, but ads will be in my videos. I don't know what else to say in this type of videos because it's also my first time doing this. So yeah, lastly, from the bottom of my heart, thanks each and every one of you that has subscribed on my channel. It really means a lot to me. If you want to ask me anything about me or my channel, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Thanks for taking your time to watching this video, and I'll see you next time. See ya!